How to fix Messenger share screen sound not working. If any day you're a Messenger user and you're facing a problem like this on your Messenger and you're quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection. After that, you have to search the Messenger application on your mobile device. You can search it from the search icon or you can also manually search it by scrolling left or right. After you find the Messenger application, you have to tap on Messenger and after that you have to go to the I like option on the top. After you tap on the I like option on the top, you can see an interface of the app information. Now you have to go to the option of the notifications and after tapping on it, you have to just allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go to the option of permissions and after tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to calendar, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification, phone and photos and videos. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to open the supported links and then go back again and then go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, if you see any cache out there, you have to clear down the cache and then close the very option out there. Now in the very search icon, you have to search Play Store once again and in the search icon, you have to search Messenger. After you search Messenger, now you can see an interface like this. Now if you see the option of update there, you have to update your very application and this way your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.